They all start standing. The most common attack in the world is this. Then Marco's gonna do it. You're gonna do it fast. He's gonna do it to me. He's gonna do it to me. First of all, I'm not gonna be. If I'm arguing with Marco, I'm not gonna be here. Whoever strikes first is gonna hit. I don't care who you are. I don't care how good you are. Okay, hold on, guys over there, lock it up. Right. When you hear some of these martial arts, they're usually, the white pajama guys with the little belly. Oh, I'll kick anybody's butt. They can't touch me. I can get my butt kicked. He can get it. All of us can. So if I'm standing here, whoever strikes first is going to hit. So I'm going to have distance to see him. And I'm going to tell him, I don't want any problems, but he might catch me with my hands down. So usually a fight doesn't start, I'm going to punch you. No, he's going to scream, yell, and attack. So whenever you're ready, scream, yell, and attack. Hey man, God, I don't want any problems, don't worry about it. Marco, did I hurt you?
Nope.
But that's the attitude. I have to put attitude, get upset without hurting my partner. Are you going to do that today? No. Because you don't have the control. And you might hurt him. The only thing that's happened to me, and I didn't even think about it, I rip people's shirt doing it. Because I control people by the shirt. So the attack looks like, this is the most common attack. It happens to anybody, male, female. Yet women, you got the abusive guy, which is just, he's not really a man, he's just a lowlife, that is gonna bitch slap you, or domestic violence, same technique. So if Michael lifts his hand to slap me, same technique. Guess what? You see what I did? I punched his throat. I don't punch the face. If I miss the throat, I hit his jaw. That's okay. If I hit his jaw, he's gonna feel it. But if I hit the throat, he's gonna drop. But what if I miss? Nothing's perfect. Go slow. I missed the throat. Then that's why I went right into here to start kneeling. Now, most people's instinct is to go back. Slow. I step back, I miss the block. I go into him and I miss the block. He gets me in a headlock. I'm gonna change my technique. But if he hits me, I'm gonna do this. Where did Pedro go? God forbid, Pedro, get in here because somebody has to see you. God forbid, Pedro hits me with a punch. Pedro hits me with a punch with these arms. And let's forget that Pedro's a black belt in Muay Thai. If Pedro had never done martial arts, when somebody tells me, oh, that guy's muscle bound, I'll kick his butt. No, you won't. He can bench press so much that when he hits you in the jaw, he's going to knock you out. Then the problem is Pedro knows how to punch. So if Pedro hits me once and I'm his teacher, I'm out. So I can't let that happen. So I have to come in, chest to chest, punch his throat. If he drops, great, but I follow through. I start kneeing him. You see, I work in threes. I don't let go. I switch. If I get him with, that should have broken his ribs. I hit him once, he's gonna drop. But what if I got nervous and I missed? 1, 2, 3. And if I still screwed up, which it shouldn't get there. So what I want you to do, we're gonna do it first. Slow. You're not gonna go, we call this is my defense against the attack. This is a point of reference. There's a lot of point of reference. I could get him here. If I get him here, instead of hammering, if I was a police officer, or I needed to control the guy, then I would do this to handcuff him. Get on your stomach, don't move, don't move. If anybody here's in law enforcement, I know they don't teach you this in the academy. Because what they taught me in the academy was BS. Here, I have control of his arm. He doesn't comply, I pop his arm. So I would say, put that hand behind you. Put that hand behind your back. From here, I pull out my handcuff, controlling him. I bring this one. Now, none of us as police officers, we're not allowed to handcuff. But what if he's just a drugged out family member, friend? I'll control him like that. That's what we call point of reference and our objective. With women, I like to teach this objective. All right, I was here. From here, I tear his ankle. I got a lot of objectives. I got this one. So I want to take him here. Bam, 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 bam. But today you're not going to go to the objective. All I want everybody, and then we're going to break out a duct tape. Slow. Now, Never throw a sucker punch, but learn to. Most people punch like this. The average fight is one doing this and the other one getting hit in the face like this. Don't do that. But to teach for your partner to do it, you're gonna do this. All right, real quick, get a partner, look at him, quick. Quick.